Okay, y'all. First of all, hello. It is Sunday, and you will never guess where I'm at. I am at the gym. Your girl is at the gym on a Sunday. Yes, I told you we're switching things up. We're not going off of that same routine anymore. Like, I'm literally starting from scratch. I am starting from scratch. I am discovering what I actually want to do and what I actually like. And when I woke up this morning after I finished journaling and everything, I said, you know what? I feel led to go to the gym. So that's exactly what we're doing. We're about to go get a nice workout in. I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. I'm going to do what I feel led to do. And I'll report back to y'all afterwards. But yes, happy Sunday. I hope y'all are doing well. I know that y'all going to see this on Monday, but happy Sunday. I hope that you used your Sunday to set your intentions for the week, to just rest, reflect, get yourself together, and to just, like, you know, look at your goals, see if you're on track and all of these things. Like, just really, like, align yourself with what it is that you're supposed to be doing. And speaking of that, Octavia, this is a note to you. So make sure y'all check out my most recent video. Is not a video diary, but it is a video, and it's a message. It's a powerful message. And if you feel, if by reading the title, if you feel that that video message is for you, make sure you watch it from beginning to end. Okay, it's a powerful message from beginning to end. But yeah, let me go ahead inside. People are starting to roll up. I'm ready to get into my zone. I got too much going on right now. I just realized I need to charge this camera. It has like one notch of battery life left. Hold on, put some stuff down. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I'm back at the house. After the gym, I went and ran some errands. I just had a few things to pick up from the grocery store, and I did just that. I went and got gas. I washed my car. And then when I got here, I had my breakfast and stuff, chopped it up with my brother, showered, and then here we are. Oh, and I just folded laundry, so doing amazing for this Sunday. I'm about to actually do my meal prep for the week. I'm only cooking one meal, and that's going to be jerk salmon with coconut rice and a zucchini squash medley. So I just found that having meal prep is so convenient. It's so convenient because although I love to cook, if I don't have to cook every day and still have really delicious cooked healthy meals, that's a win for me. Okay, so that's what we're on. So I'm gonna be doing that right now, and then after the meal prep, I'm doing my hair, y'all. I have a style that I want to try. I saw it yesterday. Like, I really had a whole vision for it yesterday. And I finally have all the tools that I need to effectively accomplish this style, this lock style. So that's how I'll be spending the rest of my afternoon after I finish cooking and stuff. And then after that, we're gonna prepare for the week ahead and get some stuff in order. But I just wanted to give y'all a little mini update to let you know how my world is going. I don't want to claim what I feel happening, but let's just say I sneezed like 5 times just now, and I feel a little lightheaded. Like, let's be so for real. I'm gonna need Chicago to get it together with the weather. Like, just get it together. Why is it gonna be in the 50s and 60s this week? We are mid-May. Like, come on. Stop teasing us with the hot weather. Just get it together. So here's where we at. I washed, I retwisted my locks, and now I'm about to sit under the hooded dryer. Y'all, I haven't sat under a hooded dryer in years, but it's getting used today. I'm gonna just sit under there for a bit, just to let my hair dry, so that, you know, like, my retwist can be nice and neat before I actually style it. And then after that, I'm going to style it. So I'm tired. I'm kind of starting to get hungry. I really don't want to take a food break yet, because when I take a food break, I get a little laxed, and I just need to stay in go mode till I'm done. So pray for your girl. dryer for round two. Round two. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to be done. Oh my gosh. It's 4:44. I literally just got from under the dryer. I'm done with my hair. But I'm not going to take my rods down until tomorrow, of course, so that we can get a higher chance of a better curl. Right now, I am warming up one of my meal preps. And I'm going to sit, I'm going to eat, I'm going to relax, replenish my energy, and then we'll prepare for tomorrow. Today has been a phenomenal day thus far. I'm loving it. And y'all, the weather is so beautiful. Look. The weather is so nice. I really wish I was outside, to be honest. But I'm going to start working in the back, like outside on the back patio, so I don't just be in the house too much. Because, yeah, these are the vibes. Oh my God, this food smells so good. Let me show you. Okay, this is the jerk salmon, coconut rice, and zucchini with squash. See how bomb that looks? Y'all, I'm about to get it in. I cannot wait. So I'm going to check in with y'all tomorrow. Bye.